As a student or an early career professional, you often hear about that I'm a major in XYZ subject or I'm an intern here, and then they try to climb the ladder in their career. But for many of us, the path is messy, indirect, and uncertain. You might wonder, what other jobs could I do? Which path matches with what I care about? How I can even find a role that fits me? That's exactly the kind of confusion Google's new AI tool is trying to solve. It's called the Career Dreamer, a tool that can understand your strengths and build a career identity, discover new paths, and map out actionable next steps. The good part here is that you just need to add your past role or your skills or your experiences, no fancy resume required. Then it helps you to craft a career identity statement, a narrative you can actually use in your resumes or even in your interviews. From there, it surfaces the career ideas you might not have imagined, linking your background to your new opportunities. Want to pivot into a tech or analytical role? It might suggest you credentials as well as training programs also that you can take and that can help you boost your career. It doesn't force you down on one path. Instead, it gives you a map which choose where you want to go. Currently, this tool has limitations as well. It currently only runs in US, but you can use a VPN to run it because it is in the experimental mode, right? Another important limitation is that it depends upon what quality of input you are giving it to the tool. If your quality is good, then your output will also be good. But imagine how this tool can be very useful for boosting your career, for mentorship, for networking, and even your job market search. So in this video, I am going to give you a quick walkthrough of this particular tool and how you can use it. So what are you waiting for? Let's dive in. So let me show you how we can use this AI tool. For this, we need to go to Google, and then opening Google, just type Google Labs. Okay, so you will see all the AI tools launched by Google is into Google Labs. Once you click open here, you will go down and you will be able to see view all over here, and then click here, again click on see more, and then you will be able to see here Career Dreamer. Okay, click on here that and then say it right now. Okay, so once you are here, it will say you how to start. Just click on start. Okay, it asks for but I want to start a new session because I tried something, so I'll click on start new session. Okay, and then it is saying me to start share your current or previous role. So let's say my current role was as I can just simply say I'm a student. Okay, just write as a student just to show you, right? And then it is asking me the level of students I am. So let's say I'm a master's student. Okay, and then it asks for your subject area. Let's say my subject area is computer science. Okay, and then click next, and now it is generating insights for me, and it is asking for me give me at least 3 skills in which I am good. So I'm telling I'm good at data structure, I'm good at problem solving, I am good at software development. Okay, and click on next. So I've added my education. It clearly says to me, and now it is creating a career identity statement, right? Which says that with a master's degree in computer science, I bring a rigorous approach of software development grounded, advanced data structure, and a systematic ability to decide. If you like it, that's really good. If you don't like it, you can regenerate it, right? You can copy it also. You can post it on your on your resume, or if you want to add any experience, you can add it over here. If you want to add some skills, you can add it from here. If you want to add any education or any certification which you have done, you can add it from here, right? You can add your interest also. So for example, I can add interest, like I have interest in Python, so I can add. Okay, so it is basically saying me that choose any 2 statements, anything. Like for example, I want to elegant solution of a complex problem, I want to create and improve efficiency, so it give me 2 different lines. You have added your interest, so it will regenerate your career identity statements based on the experience you have given, based on the education, based on skills. So if it is done, we are done, we are okay with it. Whatever is there, just click on explore paths. So once you click on explore path, this AI tool will start working, and it will start providing you what are the different roles which you can take up. Okay, so career identity is the first step, and then exploring path of is the next step, right? So let's wait, let's see what kind of different roles it is suggest me that I can do based on my education, based on the experience, based on my motivation. I have inputted. So make sure that you input the right information into it, because then only it will be able to help you and suggest you the right roles. So let's wait for a few more seconds, and there we go. It is clearly saying me that what are the different roles I can take. I can take a role of a machine learning engineer, I can take a role of a data mining web developer, data engineer. So all these roles, like all the closer ones are the nearest, which is the most easy, like these are the most relevant for me. And then some of them like computer system, analytics engineer, mobile application, all these. And if you want to know more about any of these roles, you can click on here and it can show you about the different roles, what kind of experience, bachelor degree, everything. You want to learn more, you can click on learn more, and it will take you to the another page, and it will give you a lot of ideas. What is the average salary? It will tell you everything if you want to know anything on it. It's a very good tool, I would say, because it helps you like a lot of, because sometimes what happens, I meet so many students. So when I meet those students, I can clearly see that they are confused. They only know like, oh yeah, I only want to become software developer, but they don't know how they can transition into different roles. Like they can be a machine learning engineer, they can be a data mining, data analyst, they could be like a system analyst. So there are a lot of roles which are available, which students are not aware of. So earlier they used to go to their professors, or they used to go to the career coach, or anybody who is experienced into that field. Right now with this AI tool, they will be able to do it by themselves. They will be able to explore what are the different roles they can venture into. Apart from this, what else we can do from this tool? We can also do job search here. So let's say I am willing to get into this job web developer role. So here you can see the options. It will find me the jobs near me related to this role, and this is, I guess this is the best part, because right now I told you earlier also, this is only working in US right now. I am also using it via VPN, but as soon as this tool will be rolled out and it will be applicable for all the people, I guess it won't be difficult for them to find jobs nearby you. So just click on find jobs and you can see all the jobs available on this role: web developer, front-end developer, senior web developer, all the roles which are in US right now. You can simply click on these roles and you can apply to these jobs. So this is a powerful tool, end-to-end kind of support from Google, where they are not only just helping you in identifying right roles for you, they are also helping you in finding jobs. And most importantly, you don't need to even upload your resume. You just need three things: that is your skills, and that too in a like a very nutshell, your education background and your areas of interest. So in this way you can use this AI tool. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this particular tool on Career Dreamer. I guess Google Labs have introduced really good AI tools which are very useful. If you really like our channel, do subscribe to channel, and we continuously post our tutorial videos on different AI tools on n8n, and most importantly we will also post our AI news, right? The community is also in the link, so you can join our community where we share a lot of cool stuff which we can do through AI. So let's meet in the next video. By then, bye bye.